Hey everyone, welcome back to Traffic Table channel. Today I'm gonna show you top 7 t-shirt designs trends for 2021, and I'm sure if you make any of these designs you will have a lot of profit. If you are ready, let's get started. So first of all, travel. Travel trend, it's very popular like now because a lot of people are starting to travel again, and of course a lot of people are boring because of the pandemic. So everyone wants to travel, everyone to go somewhere, everyone to just want to just not stay at home, you know what I mean, of course. So travel niche, guys, travel trends, it's very popular right now, and I'm sure it's going to be popular in 2021. So why not? As we can see, you can also have some maps, some geography, or some like text which related to travel, as you can see. So with different color, with different stickers, it's going to be fine. Anything related to geography, anything related to airplane, that's amazing. And you can have a lot of other designs, a lot of variation from travel itself. Okay, second one, of course, quarantine, nurse life, vaccine. It's staying with us like now, 2021, unfortunately. But yeah, what we can do, we can just design for that. So yeah, like do more funny designs, like 6 feet together, like second quarantine, like I'm already vaccinated. Don't stand so close to me. Class of COVID, practical social distance, senior 2021, like any cross niche with quarantine, any cross niche with nurse life, any cross niche with kind of vaccine, pandemic, and this kind of stuff, we're gonna also sell very well in 2021 as well as it was before in 2020. So, guys, this is the second niche, yeah, unfortunately, but we can have designs on that niche. Okay, the third one, which is gaming. Yeah, it's still like lockdown in some countries, it's full lockdown in other countries which are a little bit partially open. So people already also like want to stay at home more and more because of the pandemic. So a lot of people are, yeah, going to gaming, and a lot of people are interested in gaming. And who's not interested in gaming actually? But not only generally gaming, but I think it's cross niching with gaming with other thing, like life is better with pizza and gaming. You can, life is better with tacos and gaming. Life is better with like sleeping and gaming, like whatever, guys. So you can make a lot of variation and cross niche gaming with another thing. So, and also maybe some text or funny designs, like I'm sorry what I said while gaming. There are a lot of funny these kind of designs, and a lot of gamers actually like to wear these shirts to show their friends, or this is actually cool for them to wear something like that related to that. So if it's funny and it is related and cross niche with gaming and another something else, so it's gonna be a very nice niche. Let's go for the fourth one, which is outdoors. As I have just mentioned, that a lot of people wants to go outside, so maybe are going for hiking, maybe they're going for camping, or going for the mountains, or just go for some sport outdoors activities. So why not we can do like some this kind of vintage retro design for mountains, or maybe like just a small symbol or small text about camping, about hiking. It's like a lot of designs you can make about outdoors activities, mountain hiking. It's very popular niche right now. So I'm gonna be popular in 2021, and as much as we approaching summer, it's gonna be more and more trendy. So keep yeah, guys, about this kind of design. It's very profitable right now, and it will be more profitable later. Okay, great. So the fifth one, it's somehow not a trend, but it's somehow like a kind of style of design. So I saw this right now in 2021, like it's so popular. I don't know why, but this reputation text design, it's really popular, and I see a lot of people. I see almost on the streets. Like some people like this kind of design. You can do this repetition stuff. It's very easy. Just copy and paste. Maybe one time it's small and then it's bigger. Maybe one time it's like different color, which is mix it together, and maybe just simple like that. So you have a lot of ideas. Repetition is very easy design, but it looks to be profitable and effective. So why not, guys? Let's go for that. It's very trendy right now. So last but not least, multicolor design. Yeah, surprisingly, like, yeah, it's very surprising, by the way, but multicolor design, it's very trendy right now. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it's spring or something like that, but people starting to make designs with a lot of colors. Normally before it was just like one or two colors with a background, but normally, as we can see, there are a lot of stickers. Even this kind of shoes is like you know, with different designs and colors, as you can see, and it's really profitable. As I can see, a lot of people do that, and you can do this multicolor design for birthday, for holiday, any kind of holiday, like I know, you know, holidays like Valentine, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Earth Day, like whatever. And also for pattern design, it's very nice to have a lot of colors right now, because normally pattern will only like one color or two colors. Maybe you can do pattern design like this for multicolor, which is gonna be something new and something crazy as well, which can be sell well. So final one, which is my favorite, which is Sunset Vintage Retro Design. It's starting again to be very popular. It was very popular in 2021 and one of the winning trends in 2020, and it's gonna be very profitable in 2021. And people are starting to do a lot of like another twist on that. Not only the normal one, this was the normal one, but they're starting to make some figures with retro colors, another designs, like some, you know, mountains, which is not necessarily to be the curve sunset, will be like square or rectangles or maybe even circular. So starting to be more creative, guys, about this sunset vintage retro design, because a lot of people like this kind of designs. So I hope you like this, all of this design too. For a summary, the first one is travel, quarantine, game, cross niches, outdoor activities, repetition style, multicolor style, and sunset vintage retro. This is all what I have today for you guys. I hope you like my video. I hope you can subscribe if you need a lot of videos like that. Hit and smash the like button, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.